another live session for you. This is day 16 of my 21-day live challenge. Yes. And as I told you guys yesterday, I am coming to you today with a short, quick, easy DIY project. Hopefully you guys will love this. Since we're coming into the holiday season, I decided to make this one a nice, easy, quick wreath that you guys can do for the holidays. And I love this DIY because it's so quick, it's so easy. And if you actually go to the store and look for one of these, you're going to be spending like $35. So, like, depending on what size you get, you're going to be spending 35 to up in the 60s for this project. So we're going to go ahead and get started. So what we're doing again is a simple, easy wreath for the holiday season. And because I love glam, I love, I don't like the traditional type stuff. So I always love the wreaths that have the white fur around them. So I am going to show you guys how you can do that. Now they have these at the Dollar Tree, and I think this is a size 14-inch. Either it's a 12 or 14, but I know they have two different sizes. And I think this might be the largest size that they have. But this is, you can pick it up at the Dollar Tree, and now they have it in different colors. So it doesn't come in green like it normally does. Now they have it in silver, and they also have it in gold. So if you go to the Dollar Tree, you should pick some of these up, because it's a good thing to have around the house for you to make those wreaths. Okay? So this is one way to make it. This is the dusters that they have at the Dollar Tree. And if you open this up, it has two. I thought I had this open already. It comes with this little thing here, but it has two pads, and these pads they're really fluffy. So it comes with two in a pack, okay? And if you open it up, you can always open this up. And this is kind of what I do with this project. I open these up, and you gotta be real careful with it, otherwise you can tear it. So just be careful with it, getting it open. And once you get this open, it's gonna be one longer piece instead of this folded piece. As you can see, I'm just opening that up. And then you'll get to a place where it's folded in the middle. And now it's just one big long piece. Okay? So what you're going to do is, you're just going to place it on here, use your hot glue gun, and glue it on. So I have a few of these already done, and I'm just going to show you guys how this can be done. So you can glue these on just by using your hot glue gun, and I'm going to show you just how quick and easy this is. I actually did this project with a couple of people, and they loved it because they were able to do, you can do your own embellishments to it. So that's all you're doing, just placing it on there and making sure that it sticks. There you go. So you're just going to do that all the way around. I think you need about three to four of these. Yeah, it'll be about 3 to 4 of these. Now there's another way of doing this as well. They have shams in the automotive department at the Dollar Tree, and these are the car washing shams. So what I've done is I've taken the sham, it's one full piece, but I've taken the sham and I've just cut it into little strips like this. So the other way that you can do this, if you wanted to use these, was to just take these strips and wrap them around. See, I'm just wrapping that around. And you can do the exact same, you can create the same effect. It's just that this one, is a lot fluffier than this one is. So depending on what you want, what look you're going for, you can use either one of these products to make this happen. And I have one of these shams around here. Let's see, I have one down here somewhere. Hold on. I thought I had one. But I was going to show you guys what it looks like. But if you go into the automotive department at the Dollar Tree, you can find these. And again, all you do is just cut it into strips. It's just like a big towel. And what I did was cut the rim off and just cut the middle part of it into strips. And then wrap it around. So depending on what look you want, if you want the fluffier look, or if you would like the more laid down look to it. Or you can use both. Hey, because it actually starts to look a little good if you use both. So that is, and I'll do this so you guys can see. So I'll finish it up so you guys can see how it looks once I get done with it. And just be careful when you're using this glue gun, because you will burn yourself. I burn myself all the time. But I think once you start using it after a while, your skin kind of gets used to it. Okay, so I'll put this last one on and you guys can see how that looks. And I think either one of these looks nice. So you guys just let me know which one you like best. And so the wreath that you would go out and spend $35 on, you have just made for maybe $5. Okay? Well, there you go. So all you need to do is just add your little embellishments, whatever you want to put on there. I would probably take a bow, put a bow on there. And then use some of the smaller Christmas ornaments that they have at the Dollar Tree. You could take those, add those on there. So whatever you wanted to put on there, they have some little greenery there that you can use that has the little Christmas, what do you call those things? the little berries. They have the pine cones. They have all that different stuff. Whatever you want to use. So, there you go. And that was simple. That was easy. That was quick. And you probably will only pay about $5 to make this. Now, you can go to the store again and you can spend $35. But I'm that person that I look at something and I go, I think I can make that for cheaper. Holly! There you go, kids. Thank you so much, girl, because I couldn't figure that out for nothing. It was like right there on the tip of my tongue. This material, if this is what you're asking for, kids, this is the automotive shams. In the automotive department at the Dollar Tree, they have those shams. They are hanging usually in the aisle, at the end of the aisle, and not on the inside of the aisle. So if you look for them, they should have them still available. Usually they only have them in the summertime, but they should still have them available right now. But usually when I see them, I just kind of stock up on them because I know I'm going to be using them. But that's what those are. And then these, again, are the dusters that they have at the Dollar Tree. And then, like I said, they come like this, and they come 2 in a pack. So you would probably use about three to 4 of these on a wreath. The wreaths that they have. Now, if you want to get larger wreaths, they have larger wreaths at like Walmart and Michael's. They have the larger ones, and you still would come out cheaper than actually going to buy one that they already have put together, between $30 and $65. I have seen them in close to like $90. So yeah. So yeah, that's it. That's quick. That's easy. It's simple, and they look absolutely gorgeous once you put them together and put all your nice little embellishments on them. So that is all I have for you guys. They also have a lot of other nice stuff going on at the Dollar Tree right now. So if you guys, usually around Christmas time, they have a lot of nice stuff. If you get it now, then sometimes this is the only time you can get it. Like, they have stuff that comes in that's seasonal. So you would have to get it now, because you'll look at it and say, ooh, that's nice, I'll come back. No, it's seasonal. You have to get it now. Okay? So that is it. And it turned out gorgeous. Just like that. So thank you guys so much for joining me again for my 21-day live challenge. You guys have been great. Absolutely wonderful. We will come back tomorrow talking about business again. Invite your friends. Let them know that I still have a few more days to go. So I will be seeing you guys again. Join us on Sunday for our virtual online shopping experience. We would love to see you guys there. We have so much fun. Again, thank you guys so much. And as always, be royale, be classy, and be creative.